Alright, hear me now. Seven-head dragon is really for the lady. When you hear me, I say, the lady can say, seven-head dragon. What's up?
So when me I hear that,
you know, you say, Wagwan dragon. But I get the thing mixed up.
Good morning.
No, good morning.
Good morning. So go on, let me see Corona I did the place away and the place locked down and everything good.
Yeah, everything not good enough. Like I said, the Corona go on and everybody. Right now, the thing we're going is a sudden destruction. You understand me? And the seven dragon get a lick right now. I'm not telling you, I have some food and stuff, me run come try to get.
They say get a lick, what you mean?
When we say get a lick, we get a sudden lockdown. Sudden lockdown, yeah man. Sudden. So you want now. They might give you some time to buy something and come home and wall will lock.
Yeah.
And you know for St. Thomas people, they are not idiots. We are all our long.
Yeah, I will
lock. And get caught up with this coronavirus. You understand me? When that lick it wicked than a big fuck or a big bug. Yeah man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I want to say everything alright different, you know.
Alright different.
So you get the food stuff and anything there?
Yeah man, and them I work on.
Oh, them I work on?
I work on them, I get one pack of cornflakes already.
Let me move your mask. You get one pack of cornflakes already? Yeah, man, just give me a few seconds. You know, say, why do you stay so? And I one girl link me, I say, remember what day I soon up on the dam? I say, yes man. And I say for a room and she say, I say, yeah man, I'm in the more room and I'm you see me?
Yeah man, I
say you come link me early this morning, I say, yeah.
Yeah,
you see me? I say, yeah, my life, I started, I say we come link me early. 6 pack of Jagger and I laugh like a monkey.
Every day I drink Jagger man, every girl I drink Jagger.
Every day I drink Jagger?
Every day I drink Jagger.
Yeah.
Let me tell them, you know.
Yeah.
Seven-head dragon.
Take off a mask. More here we are say. If you have Corona,
Alright, you know. Seven-head dragon
Yes.
is really for the lady. When you hear me, I say, the lady can say, seven-head dragon. What's up?
So when me I hear that,
you know, you say, Wagwan dragon. But I get the thing mixed up.
Yeah, now I get it mixed. Me if you don't say Wagwan dragon.
Wagwan dragon. Every man can see me and say, Wagwan dragon, everything good.
Yeah.
When you see 8 part left it to the girl, they're going to say, what's up, 7-8 dragon? You're going to say, welcome, man. They're the only 7-8 dragon. Yeah, man.
Yeah, my fam.
Yeah, man. So right now, whether you go and kick back and do some little thing, because you know, say, I come like traveler same way, you know.
Alright.
Look on.
The rake, man, the people them know say I raking, man, they think I glass.
You can sit down in a corona time.
So hear me, I say, more you tell the people them why you love dragon, so why you drink dragon every day?
Well, I'm telling you, dragon, I drink dragon every day because dragon really put my career where I wanna be. You know what I mean? And when I drink the dragon, I make up on the world. And I saw the dragon make me deal with the girl. And the girl run. I say, oh, dragon make you run. A dragon for drink when girl, you understand
Yo,
me?
but me now, who you are, Chicago?
Chicago man, Chicago man, we drink the 7 dragon. And so I get the name 7-8 dragon, you know.
Oh.
So that's why I tell you, say, the real dragon.
Yeah.
Because when dragon turn on the fire, it's burn.
The heat alone.
The heat alone make Chicago running, fly over all the wall.
And then I get to a
And
relief.
if you get, you see dragon, you see head, or I say dragon head.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you run and flick, man. Where you say, man, not even ninja, no flick so wicked. That's what I know, say, dragon don't play. So I rate dragon stove.
Yeah.
So when I say 7 dragon, I drink 7 dragon and go up on my work.
So how long now you drink dragon?
I drink August last year. And this year make 1 year. And I was drinking dragon long time ago. But I didn't drink them so baka. But no dragon, because start drinking them baka. Too many name dragon. Every ladies I drink dragon.
Right now.
Right now. You get what I mean?
That me say every lady I drink dragon.
Dragon
Every youth, every man I smoke lion pride. Every man I drink a dragon and I put it.
Yeah man, I tell you man, so lion pride to build me weed.
Yeah.
And I drink dragon stout.
Yeah, for all that different
bows.
man.
When I go everywhere, I sit down everywhere, I say, oh man, I drink dragon stout. And I say, yo dragon, what go on? 7-8 dragon. I say, yes, pick up baby. And I say, yo, are you we are drink so much dragon, you know?
Right now.
A dragon full of car trunk, a dragon everywhere.
everywhere we go, I drink.
Yeah, man. Right now, a dragon we drink. I'll Corona for run, man. Corona drive like car, you know.
So here, man, so more you tell me, if you get the first million, where do you do the first million here?
Well, me I tell you the truth, I get 1 million now.
Yeah.
Me need some stuff, right? But further my career, I want to work on my career.
Yeah, that's
So
the
the
thing.
million, no, we have them but just a million.
Just a million.
That's just show I'm part of my career. That's what we can do, I'm part of my career, but I love it still. I'm glad people, I'm not telling a lie.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So here, man, I like how you happy.
Yeah,
Because
man,
for your career shoot, I can spin and spin back a million.
Yeah, man,
then.
this is more on my career.
Yeah.
So when I say thinking rich, that's platinum. Money there, you know, till it's rotten down.
Yeah.
I want it in a real life.
Yeah. Because platinum the thing there, you know.
Yeah, man, a
Remember,
platinum,
tell me, say I make a platinum art and
Yes,
put it in.
man.
You see me?
Platinum,
So
man.
because
So
everything
you know,
I
so
go
when I go on
platinum.
a platinum now, I get a million first thing I want me teeth, because my career that still.
Yeah.
My career.
So that million in the
Yeah,
career
my teeth
part.
tonight. My teeth tonight. I get a wicked one as a week now. My teeth come first.
Yes.
Come on, can talk good and everything.
And everything, yes.
And go out and laugh and meet people and laugh and okay everything, but like me smile. And my teeth then long, and I then drink like chocolate.
So you think about the lockdown at St. Thomas
Well,
with
the lockdown, me not say nothing wrong with the lockdown, you know, because I don't want this disease spread.
Yes.
Saying because from this disease I go around, the seven-head dragon lose a lot of cash.
Real
Because,
talk.
you know why? I cannot go out, I cannot do no stage show or nothing.
Yes,
You
so
understand
that
me?
kinda slow
So
the thing
me
down.
lose more than 5 million right now.
Real
You
talk.
understand me? Just put it on and yes, I still a drink dragon. You
Never stop.
understand me? So,
That can't make you stop.
well, the lockdown, me still glad for still, because me not watch a million when me lose, but me still prefer my people them. You understand me? My people them come first.
Yeah.
Because without them, there's never me.
True.
You get me? So I think about my people. So I place lockdown still.
True.
Me want them cool down and make the virus not spread. So everybody get their sheet, get their bread. You understand me?
Yes.
See roller there right now. Everything cheap and roller because during Corona in drop price.
Yes, make them know,
Let me tell
the
you this.
supermarket.
Any
and all
money
that.
supermarket.
Yeah.
Field supermarket.
Yeah.
Right now, the both of them line and line.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Everything both cheap
Everything
now.
cheaper right
Price
now.
drop, Corona drop.
So
price
jump
drop.
in a roller,
So jump in a roller,
field.
jump in a field.
Yeah.
Pick up everything what you want. If you have feel pain, you get pill. Yeah, man.
And subscribe me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, please TV, isn't
Yeah,
it?
man.
Yeah, man. Then I see
Subscribe me,
the
man.
photo,
Run Please TV. Subscribe me and like me everything.
Yeah, man.
I'm
Like
up.
me.
Yeah, man. Like me and matter of fact, share me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, God.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man. Share him thing, man. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Subway Dragon.
Him name
Regular
Pie.
day and I
Two
see for
boy.
boy.
Yeah, man.
Here I hear. You see it? Hold up, man. You
Shot
see
piece
it?
of pie, see him
So,
with,
boy,
man.
everything good.
Everything good yet.
Yeah, man.
They were there, all the vibes, you
And
know.
then dragon yet spoil.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, Dragon Park.
All right.
Say they look quiet. Cause look quiet, we just go hold two Dragon in there. That be nice, you know, money. Cause if you tell me about the head star,
Yeah,
no,
man.
me not get for test it, you know.
Yeah, a two man.
So everything alright though.
Yeah,
So you have to make a circle go down the road.
you may make a circle.
Come on,
Yeah,
man.
man, them say they up some of the level, like they not reach right there.
Then I reach it. Alright, my boss. You know what's going on? One link, yeah?
Yeah.
Bless up yourself, my family.
Yeah, man. When we make it in our life now, all the money have to book every day.
Yeah. Clean and
up
everything.
clean and healthy. Because why? My dragon car.
You want a
Seven.
Dragon. Real thing.
Me not tell them, me not dash them, me not keep them. I will link, I will and them born and grow about them consider.
Yeah, cool. You have good heart, you
Yeah,
know.
man, what you say, man?
Just continue with that. Yeah, you
What
see
you
it?
talk about, man?
Yeah, people,
Want
man.
money. All like poor people and boy, you get food and old lady. An old man, everyone want get food and money. Yeah, man.
Real man, you see me?
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, man, I like how the
That's a
thing
big
I go.
thing, shot.
Right now, the thing I blast. So, more I make the people you know, say.
Subscribe me.
Yes.
Like me and everything and share me with
Just to
others.
keep the thing going.
And keep the thing
I saw
going.
them all get the latest video.
Yeah, man. I
see me?
saw them all get the latest
Yeah,
video.
man.
Yeah, man, the latest everything. And we have some new thing them.
Yeah, we have some new thing for
And
Father
a new
Road.
system I bring them a road and
Yeah.
you know what thing go.
Yeah.
I will say run please.
Yeah, I will say 7
I
years.
have a new song when I say, you know what I say? When I say money in my pocket, me mean money, me no mean no, maybe when me go, me say, Money in my pocket.
Money in my
Alright,
pocket.
that's
Yeah,
the
man.
one thing.
Yeah, man. A new song here
Yeah,
come
man,
out. Money in
new
my
song.
pocket, man. You see me?
When I say money in my pocket, me mean money ticking in my pocket.
Tick.
So when I say song, so this song I go money ticking in my pocket.
Yeah.
Money are kicking in my money ticking in my pocket. Just
Yeah.
understand me.
Money
when me say
ticking
that,
in my pocket.
Yes. And then me just say
Money are kicking in
in my
my
pocket.
pocket. Yeah.
Yes. And me say
My brain it a fly like a rocket.
come on, no, man. I'm going in the street and I say, brand new Benz,
Yes.
automatic. And look at me now, I'm say, brand new Benz, automatic.
Yeah.
Girl see the Benz and panic.
Yeah.
We drop off a dressing at the shopping. Listen me, man.
Listen me.
Yeah, man.
Think about it. Listen me and listen me good.
Me I tell you,
New
it's coming
things.
next.
Yeah, man.
Everything.
New
Brand new
coming
Benz,
on.
automatic. 7
Brand
and
new
up.
Benz. Automatic.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. The daddy just buy 2 Dragon.
We take, if you
Yeah, man.
buy 2 Dragon, we take something cheaper too.
I him buy 2
Yeah,
Dragon.
me just buy dragon for me and my friend there. Where your foot just
Me don't
short.
pay
Your
right.
foot just shot.
Next day you piece in your foot them, man.
Alright.
You need to piece.
What if you do? What if you do?
You need to piece in your foot them, man.
Them 2 sharp.
Yeah, man, and rub them with Guinness when you get them. That's the only way Guinness and bust up to them.
I believe so.